All right, good Thursday evening, everybody. I'm 5 News Chief Meteorologist Skot Covert. Wanted to fire up a little bit of a live stream right here this evening with some new data to share with you that may give you a better idea, a better sense of the timing of the overnight showers and thunderstorms that are likely to continue at least for several hours tomorrow morning. This is going to be about 1:30 overnight tonight, so not a lot going on, but you'll notice we start to see the first round of some showers, maybe a clap of thunder out there, moving generally speaking south of I-40, LaFleur, Scott, Sebastian County, probably seeing those showers and thunderstorms initially. This now 2:30 in the morning. These somewhat scattered in nature, not necessarily widespread, although I do suspect we'll see more widespread rain the later in the morning that we go. This is through about 3 o'clock in the morning. Could be some loud rumbles of thunder in the Fort Smith, Van Buren, Alma, Waldron, Greenwood, Hackett, even Poto area. Overnight tonight, Mother Nature may be waking you up a little bit early. About 4 o'clock in the morning, we're still looking at somewhat scattered activity here locally. But of course, our next batch of storms, pretty obvious when you look back off towards the west near Tulsa, OKC, back towards McAllister. All that is going to be tracking our direction. That's the widespread batch of rain and thunderstorms we do expect here locally. Now looking at 5:30, starting to see a bit more coverage out there, some moderate downpours. Likely mixing in at times. Things are going to get a bit more interesting closer to 6:30 in the morning. The rain likely up and down I-49 between, let's say, Sallisaw and Fort Smith along I-40. You'll probably see some scattered showers further towards the east there as well. We go a little bit further into the morning now, looking at 7:30. Good soaking widespread rain. For many of us, right around the time a lot of folks are out on the roadways, heading to work, heading to school, appointments, doctor's appointments, you name it, wherever your day takes you. If you're out the door tomorrow morning early, number one, you're going to, of course, need the rain gear. Number two, it's my recommendation, and that's for the reason for the weather impact alert. You're going to want to budget some extra time on your morning commute tomorrow, just given the rain is going to slow a lot of folks down. How long does it last? That's the question. Well, there could be some severe storms embedded within this line. If there is, those are going to be pushing off towards central Arkansas closer to 8, 9 o'clock, but some rain showers are likely to continue lingering, especially south of I-40 in the River Valley through mid to late morning tomorrow. You'll notice a lot of us clearing out northwest Arkansas. Meanwhile, those of us in the River Valley, even after lunchtime, we're talking 1, 2 o'clock, there still could be some scattered light rain falling. Here comes the actual cold front itself, and you can see that may kick up a few additional spotty showers going into tomorrow evening. Severe weather risk is relatively low. Not zero, but relatively low. Level 2 has been actually pushed back, and we now really only have that level 2 in yellow for primarily LaFleur County. I know it clips a very small portion of Sequoia, Sebastian, and Scott, but earlier in the day, the Storm Prediction Center had that level 2 clear into the River Valley. We've also dropped that level 1 risk a little bit further towards the south there as well. That's going to be everyone here in green, which is the majority of us. So our chances of severe weather somewhat low. Of more concern is likely going to be the potential for a little bit of flash flooding. I do think many of us south of the Interstate 40 corridor probably could see 1 upwards of 2 inches of rain. North of it, we're probably looking a little bit less than that. It's all really going to depend on where that heaviest band sets up. We'll be watching for that given the fact that we've seen a lot of rain in recent days. So that's just one of those things that we'll have to be really mindful of. Just wanted to give you this quick update. We'll, of course, have your 10-day forecast coming up in your 5 News at 10 right here and over on 5 Plus as well. For all of us here at 5 News, we hope you have a good Friday evening. Thursday evening. It's Thursday. I'm thinking about the weekend, dadgummit.